India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning. My name is Pavni Jain and today's thought is freedom is never dear at any price, it is breath of life. By Mahatma Gandhi. I repeat my thought, freedom is never dear at any price, it is breath of life. By Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Ranjana Yadav and I am going to present news today. Firstly, some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday launched the long-awaited National Automobile Scrappage Policy, describing it as a significant step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Assam has come up with a rent authority to regulate renting of premises, to protect the interest of landlords and tenants, making the state first in the country to establish. Now, some international news. Dubai State Airport operator is precasting 56 million passengers to pass through Dubai International next year, double its target for this year, though still below pre-pandemic level. North Korean state television has aired its first coverage of the Olympic 2 days after the closing ceremony of the Tokyo 2020 Games. Lastly, some sports news. Under-19 World Cup winning captain Unmukt announces retirement at the age of 28. Thomas Dennerby to take charge as the head of India's senior women's football team. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning, my name is Sanskriti Gehlot and today I am presenting two words. My first word is gaudy, meaning extremely bright and showy. Sentence: a group of dragonflies are bustling about on their gaudy purple wings. My second word is reiterate, meaning to repeat an opinion. Sentence: Mohan is reiterating that he wants to go to his nanny's house. Thank you.
हे सब